Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to connect your computer Bluetooth with your phone Bluetooth and transfer files without using cables. Okay, let me teach you how you can do that. Alright, as you can see my screen, this part by my right hand side, as you can see, that is my phone. Okay, so let me come to the home page. So this is my phone. Alright, so I'll teach you now how to connect your Bluetooth, okay, your phone Bluetooth with your laptop Bluetooth. So let's get started. So what you can do first is make sure that your laptop is having a Bluetooth, okay, because definitely your phone is having a Bluetooth. So what you can do is come to your start box, okay, then come to settings. All right, so you can come to device, okay, then you can now on your Bluetooth, okay. Make sure that this Bluetooth is on, then on your Bluetooth. All right, so this is the name of my Bluetooth, okay. So now that my Bluetooth is on, now let me make this window small. Okay, now I'll come to my phone. All right, so come to my phone, then I on the Bluetooth of my phone. Can you see my Bluetooth is on? So make sure that you are in the environment of your Bluetooth. Now what do I mean? Come to settings, okay, then you come to Bluetooth. Can you see Bluetooth? Now click on this Bluetooth. Okay, so make sure that you are in this environment, this Bluetooth environment. All right, so now I'll now come to my laptop, okay, then click on add Bluetooth or other device. Can you see it? Then I click on add Bluetooth. All right, so at this point now it's telling me to choose the kind of device you want to add. Is it Bluetooth, or wireless, or everything else? So I'm using what's Bluetooth this time, so I click on what's Bluetooth. So all right, have you seen it? Has seen my phone, my itel P40 Plus, okay. So what I'll do next is once I see the name of my phone, then I click on it. Now have you seen now on my phone here? Can you see this part now? Can you see? So it's now sending me what? Sending me a passkey. So what I'll do, so my phone, I'll come and touch this box. On my phone, I'll touch this one first. So I'm touching my phone. Can you see it? I just touch my phone now. Then I'll click on what? Pair from my phone. Then I'll click on pair. Once I click on pair, then I'll come to my laptop and I'll click on what? Connect. I click on what? Connect. So it's connecting. Yes, that's it. Can you see it? I just paired with my phone and my laptop together. So then I click on done. This is done here. Then I click on done. Now I've paired my phone and my laptop. Now I cannot transfer files now. Have you seen it? So that's how you do that. So now let me just transfer one file from my phone to my watch, to my laptop. So how do I do that? Now this is what I have to do. Now watch. Let me fold this first so that you see. Now let me fold this. Let me bring out my Bluetooth icon on my taskbar. Now how do I do that? Now let me fold this thing first or maximize it. So what I'll do next is I'll just come to more Bluetooth options. Can you see it? Then I click. All right. Now come to this part. Can you see? Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So I click on this. I tick the box. Then apply and what? Okay. Now come to this part. This up arrow. Then I click on the up arrow. Can you see it here? So it has come to this taskbar. So what I'll do next is I'll right click. Now that I've seen it here now, what I'll do next is I'll just right click. Okay. Then I will either click on send a file or receive a file, whichever way. So while I'm doing that is that I want to pin my Bluetooth on the taskbar. So that's why I'll choose either this one or this. So let me just click on any one. Let me click on receive a file, and I click on receive a file. All right. Now that this interface is showing now, so what I'll do next is I'll just right click on the taskbar here. Can you see it? I'll just right click and do what? And pin to taskbar. So I'll pin it there. That's it. So even if I cancel, if I come back here again and click on it, listen, it's not bringing option send or receive files. Okay, so now I want to send something from my phone to my PC. So how do I do that? Now let me show you what you do. Now this is my phone now. Now I want to send something now. Let me go back. Alright, let me see what to send. I come to my gallery. Let me open this. Okay, let me open this. Right, I want to send this now. Can you see this? I want to send this this dog image to my PC. Now I cannot close this here now. I can close this here now. So I want to send this now to my PC. So how do I do it? Just click on Bluetooth. Okay, click on what? Receive files. Click on receive files. Okay, now I'm waiting now. Now I'll go back to my phone. Then click on share. Okay, then this is Bluetooth. Then I click on what? Bluetooth. Alright, now this is the name of my PC. This is the uppermost one. Okay, then I tap from my phone. I tap uppermost one. Can you see it's sending? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's sending. Can you see it? Sending. Can you see? Sending. Almost done. Almost done. That's it. That's coming. So I click on what? Finish. Finish. So now let me go and preview what I just sent now. Let me go and preview it. So I come to my Bluetooth folder. This is my Bluetooth folder. Alright, so let me look for the dog. Where I sent it. Let me look for the dog. Okay, this is it here. This is the dog. That's it. Can you see it? So this is the dog that I just sent from my phone. Now let me minimize it so that you see it. Close this. Can you see? Can you see it? Now this is my phone. Now this is my PC. So that's how you transfer, files, even though videos from your phone to your PC or from your PC back to your phone. So that's how you do that. So okay, let me transfer something to my phone. Okay, so you see. Okay, so now let me come to my Bluetooth. Let me just transfer anything. Let me transfer this file. So I click, I send to Bluetooth. Can you see it? Right, then on my phone, let me accept for my phone. Can you see it? Can you see accept? So I accept. Finish. I just sent something to my phone. So Let me open my phone and check what I just sent. Let me open it. Let me open it. That's it. Can you see it? That is it. So that's how I send files using Bluetooth from your laptop to your phone, and from your phone back to your laptop. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you and have a nice day. Goodbye for now.